Hello, welcome to another video where we're looking at coffee subscription services. How are they different? Which one may be best for you? Today we're looking at Beanbox, so let's check it out. Hi, my name is Stephen Holm and I am with HomeGrounds, where our mission is to help you brew and enjoy better quality coffee from the comforts of your own home. Last week I placed an order for Beanbox, so let's take a look at that ordering process. Alright, looks like Beanbox is sourcing from multiple roasters. I see some great names on here, so that's good to see. So customer perks. It's like you have exclusive access to rare, hard to find micro lots. If you're not familiar with micro lots, it just means that there wasn't much of that coffee produced. So micro lots, kind of basic. Customer favorites. Ooh, you can get a deluxe coffee and chocolate box. That sounds fun. You can also just order bags of coffee from them as well. So it looks like one way that Beanbox is different is they offer these gift boxes, they call them. So not only do they have like coffee sampler boxes and world tour box, but they have this chocolate tasting box. They have a tea gift box. Oh, a coffee and tea gift box. A coffee and biscotti tasting box. Oof. I'm a little overwhelmed looking at their site, but that's just because they have a lot of different things that they offer. I just want to sign up for a subscription, so let's just click on subscriptions, and it looks like they have something to guide you along the way, which is nice. So I'm going to choose the Beanbox sampler. We'll go with whole bean, obviously. I will choose light roasts and how often you want to pay. So that's nice. Beanbox offers you to prepay for 6 months and you get a 20% discount, which is really nice. It's nice even if you select these things, you can always change your preferences later on. We'll see what happens when it gets here. So let's go to the unboxing. All right, and here it is. Better mornings delivered fresh. Beanbox. I like the box. Let's take a look at what's inside. All right. Not sure what this is, but it says the world's first webcam was invented in 1991 at University of Cambridge, so researchers could see whether the coffee pot was full or empty. There you go. Okay, it looks like a little note from the founders, a little brew recipe, but if you're looking for more recipes, I'll link some right up here. Alright, cool. Looks like we have 4 coffees in here. A little postcard. It's like $5 in coffee cash to redeem on your next order. Pretty cool. And an $80 gift card to HelloFresh. Alright. Cool. Let's check out these coffees. So I have 4 different coffees. First one is from Slate Coffee Roasters, who are out of Seattle. It looks like a holiday blend. No specific information on what it is, other than it shows that it's a light roast, notes of red apple, black cherry, and holiday spice. But they have a little QR code down here. It looks like you can get some more information, so I'll check out that in a little bit. Second coffee is from Broadcast Coffee, who I haven't heard of before. Sounds like another holiday blend with notes of bourbon, spice, and marshmallow. Alright, check that out later. Kuma Coffee. This one is a single origin from Honduras. Light roast, notes of cherry pie, brown sugar, almond, and apple. And then last one is Vashon. I'm gonna say Vashon. Another light roast holiday blend. Notes of caramel, chocolate, berries, and citrus. Cool. So, I want to know more about these coffees, and they have these QR codes on here, so let's see what that does. Alright, open that up, and it looks like it brings you to their site where you can purchase an entire bag, which is pretty cool. It looks like this coffee is actually sold out, and they don't have any more information on it there. Well, let's check out another one. Check out Kuma Coffee. Alright, that one is also sold out to buy full bags of. Let's go to the Slate one. Alright, so I can go ahead and purchase a whole nother bag of this Slate coffee, and they have a lot more information about it, notes about the roaster. It has the actual origins that comprise this blend. So this one is a Colombian and a Kenyan coffee. And then they give a bunch of other recommendations if you like this. And it looks like you can even text a number or just go straight to the website. So that's pretty cool. For the sake of this video, I won't be brewing these coffees and talking about the coffees in particular, since Beanbox does not roast their own and they're sourcing from some pretty notable roasters. We're just looking at Beanbox as a service. And all in all, I would say it's been a great experience. They sent me some really nice coffees. They have a lot of different options for gift boxes on their website, so you can get things like chocolate. I think there were nuts. There was one with shroop waffles, if I remember right. But a lot of different options on their website. I would say this would make a great gift if you're giving someone a subscription service for the holidays or a birthday, so you can throw in some extra things. So Beanbox, 2 thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other subscription reviews. I'll link it right up here. And be on the lookout on our channel for a full roundup of all of these subscription services that I've looked at, comparing them all and seeing which one might be best for you. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy brewing.